Good afternoon, guys. Sorry about the beard and the hair's a mess right now, but it's Saturday. It's afternoon. I went ahead and let everything warm up today so that wouldn't have to deal with getting cold. As of 10 o'clock this morning, sorry to be distracted, but I got chicken in a bucket. It's Saturday. Maddox is out there. Got 2 more eggs in there. Trying to find the pigs. They're out roaming around in the back here. Like I said, at 10 o'clock this morning, it was supposed to be above freezing and not be going back down. So all this snow will be melting. And by all, I mean, it's almost all gone already. Looks like my septic system might have actually come on already, which would be good because it hasn't ran in a week. I need to get the water hoses hooked back up to it. My sprinkler heads are busted. I guess we'll go. My sprinkler heads are right here, and they've been busted for a while. And so I've got it hooked up to a water hose, and then that also allows me to move the sprinkler around wherever I want the water to go. That way it's not all piling up in one spot and getting muddy. But we got 2 goals for today. Number 1 goal is I want to get Axel separated from the baby pigs, get him back in his pen. So this morning they followed me out here to get some water, and I tried to do it then. I spent a couple minutes and they weren't having it. I separated these lines. I pushed the bottom one all the way down on these 2 and raised the top one up. Put some feed and water out here for him. He hasn't found that yet, but they've been out here kind of exploring. They did the same thing yesterday. They walked all throughout this area back here, just kind of digging and playing in the mud. I posted some videos on our TikTok about that. Maddox is out here finding them. Did you find them?
Yeah, they're over there.
They're all the way over there?
Yeah. Like they were just over here, and then they came right there, and then they kept on following me. I just went back there, and then somehow they followed me and went through there to the mud, and I broke some pieces off of there with my sword.
Yeah.
And then they just started going over there, and I followed them, and I was in the mud, and that's how I got that on.
Oh, you got mud?
So deep, so.
All right. And let's get this red can over here with some food in it and shake it, and maybe we can get them to come.
Yeah. And guys, if you want to know, if Daddy wants to start on that thing we were gonna make today.
Yeah, I was telling them what the 2 things we had to get done today. I was telling them about the pigs. We got to try to get Axel in here.
Yeah,
and the other thing.
Axel's actually being some pigs. We don't know why. So since we don't know why, we're just. Is this not on?
No, it's not on.
Okay.
You can hang your jacket on that post if you want to. Right here.
Yeah. So if it was on, and if I touched this, if it was on and I touched this to it, and I was still holding it, would it shock me?
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
Okay, now the other thing we want to do, this is that other brooder box over there that we got to get fixed up for the other chickens so we can separate the big chickens from the small chickens. I've got a lid for it, but really we just need to get it over into the shed where we can keep it warm. Put one of the heat lamps, or probably put the little plate for that one. Hold on, we don't need to get over there. Let's grab this can. Come on, where are you going? I got some food over here. I put some food in here this morning to try to get them to come over here.
I definitely need help.
No, it's okay, just wait right there. Come on, piggies. The baby pigs might follow, but really we need Axel to come. Come on, bucko. Axel, let's go, buddy. Maybe he'll follow them.
Yeah, he's following them.
if he just walked right in there, huh?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, what? Stay back. I don't know where you were, but I know you were inside. But I don't know how we got out here.
I let him outside.
But when we came out here.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Maddox, get away from them. So you're stopping them from coming over here. Come over here behind me. See? And then one of the other pigs scared them, and now they're running the wrong way. Axel! Axel! Come on, buddy.
Red! How are you ready to come over here? Hi, guys.
Don't touch the camera. All right, well that didn't go as planned. Now they're in the front yard and still not wanting to come back here. I think what we're gonna have to do is take their food away from them for today and give Axel a reason to follow the feed bucket. He's pretty much had access to food for the last 3 days as much as he wants, so he's just not hungry. You know, you got to give these animals some motivation to listen to you and follow you with the food bucket. If they're not hungry, food bucket doesn't really do anything. So let's get their food out of the backyard, then we'll get that brooder box going. And maybe throw some scratch out here to the chickens. Okay guys, well we got the little brooder in here. It's just another one that I built out of some scrap pieces. It's got some ventilation on 3 sides, and got the wood chips in here. Now I'll just get them a separate food and water for them, and then we'll work on getting the laying hens in here. Oh, Maddox wanted to say something. What's up, Mad Dog?
So this is this a rooster?
I think so.
Yep, this is a girl.
No, rooster.
This is a rooster right here. And we got the pigs in, but their actual is not in his right cage, but the baby pigs are for now. But yeah, so and Dad's gonna so this is one of our chickens, the babies, and one of Dad's gonna build a top for that brooder. So our so our meat chickens, they're gonna stay in the one that they are in, and then these black ones are some of them are gonna go in that little, in the little one.
You want to go put that one in there?
No, only the egg layers.
You want to go put that one in there? The egg layers and the roosters are gonna go in there.
Okay, here's one of the roosters. See, I like it.
Hold on, get on your chair.
Oh my gosh. That, are you sure? Give me that one, I'll put him in. Yeah, that's a wet one. So we're only putting the females and the roosters in here, and all those meat chickens are gonna stay in there. But see, like this one's
I'm not sure that these aren't some of the big red broilers. Maybe because they're so huge already.
yeah.
I don't know.
I think those are big red.
Either that or they're like the red star laying hens. We're gonna count them when we get them in here.
Hi. There he is. They're just hanging out. Now. That guy looks like a meat chicken. If that's a meat chicken.
Look at this little girl.
Oh, you're so cute. Whoa, it still drooled on me.
Yeah, they're a little wet from getting in the water. They were thirsty. They were fighting over the water.
Well, I bet that one got a lot. Which one of the waters are we gonna get them? Cause there's like one water in there.
We'll have to. We've got some more. We'll have to use the other one.
Okay. I don't see any. I bet we do.
There's a little bitty rooster.
Oh, you're a little one.
I think. I don't know. Actually, I don't think that's a rooster. Maybe it is. I don't know.
We're gonna count. And guys, we're gonna count all the roosters and.
That little black one is fast.
He is? Yeah, I tried. Look, show me which one he is. Show me who he is. I know.
Tiny one. This one.
Oh yeah, I couldn't catch him.
They like try to hide up underneath the other chickens.
Yeah, and then those. Yeah, you don't hide up under the chickens. Oh, that's a big guy. It's gonna cut the wings, you know that. Just to tell you, you don't get out. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, I can I do that one? Daddy, want to say something I just did? Creative. Look, I put some in there so if they're in there, they can still, if they want to eat in there while they eat, they can.
Cool.
I haven't got the, I'm trying to get the
Don't throw the
little ones. I'm trying to get the little ones. Can you get the little ones?
I'm gonna go get the lid for this, okay?
Okay, can you get one of the little black ones for me? Yes, I got
Did you put the chicken back in here?
No. Dad, why are you using my beach bucket?
Am I using what?
Why are you using my beach bucket?
Because it was in here. Alright guys, so we're back in here. Well, we're still in here. Okay guys, well, we got the top on this thing. We got them food and water. We got the little heat plate plugged in. At least we got one of... I'm trying to... that makes a lot of noise, okay?
Okay, I'm just going to...
Can I put that chicken back up? So we can get some water? So at least we got one of the two things we wanted to get done today.
Okay. And then some water.
And what we did for Axel is we went ahead and took their feed away from them. And that way tomorrow when we come back out to move them, everybody will be nice and hungry. And then we'll probably have a problem keeping the babies out of Axel's area. But to be honest, I think the females are coming into age where they can be, where they're mature and they can be bred. So we probably need to separate the females and the males anyways. That's going to be the hardest part because Axel, and I say that because Axel's been very interested in them as he's been out. Obviously they're too small. Physically it just doesn't really work that well. So we're not worried about any of them being bred right now. They're 3 months old, but Maddox, don't touch the saw, please. It's very dangerous. But that's the story on them. Tomorrow I think we'll be able to separate them a little easier. They just were not interested in the food today. They've already eaten and they had all that exercise outside. They just wanted to come down and lay down. So I think that's going to be it for today, guys. If we have any more luck with getting Axel in there, we'll probably post about that. But why don't you
guys,
sign us out? We
man.
thought that was the end of the video. But then I noticed that the pigs were hungry, so I tried to see if they would follow me out, and they did follow me out. It took a little bit of encouragement and a little bit of time, but I got them all in there, including Axel. He was the one that really took the most time. And you see that one pig's outside of the fence. What I did was I actually raised the fence up right there where she's standing, or he, to where they can get through, but Axel can't get through without touching the wire. The fence is energized. I think what I'm hoping happens tonight when it gets cold, they try to find a place to go to stay warm, which is where they normally go, and they all head back up to the backyard, and then Axel will be left out here by himself. And tonight or in the morning I'll come and I'll lower those wires back down so they can't get in there. Axel has been known to break through an energized fence, so it's not entirely unheard of. We've got plans tonight. We're going over to my brother's house for some dinner, and I think when we get home from that, or maybe even before then, we'll know whether or not this is going to work. So I'm not going to say that we got both things done today, because what we wanted was Axel to be out there by himself. But Axel's out there, so we got like 1.5 things done today. And when we, by the end of the night, he might be out again, and we'll have to try again tomorrow. Last time it took us 2 or 3 days to get him to stay in there. So it wouldn't surprise me if that's how long it took again this time. So, get this bucket. Whew. So yeah, guys, that was my excitement the last 5 minutes. Sorry I didn't film it, but it all kind of happened so fast that, if you step away for a second, you could ruin everything. So we got them in there. I'll give you all an update later. Hold on, buddy. And that's it, guys. But now I'm gonna cut back to Maddox's exit out of our video, and y'all have a good one.
Guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this video and hit the thumbs up button. And if you see that pig just so it gets fun. And I hope you like our videos, but we'll be making some more. Be back next time. Yeah.